To start, I am prepping my skin with a vitamin E spray as well as a primer serum to my extremely dry areas like under my eyes and my nose. Moving on to brows, I used a cream from e.l.f. to darken the back of my eyebrows and a Colorstay pencil from Revlon to feather out the front. Though, to be honest, if I was really like in a school rush, I would only use the e.l.f. Now we're to the fun part, the eyes. I start by priming my eyes with a light concealer. And I set the concealer with a equally ashy shade. I technically don't have to do this because my skin isn't oily, but I just like to do it as a base. Going in with a crease brush, I take the color Spice to deepen my crease and give my eyes depth. It isn't traditional drugstore. I included it anyway because you get 21 eyeshadows, 3 highlighters, and 3 contour shades for only $22, and they're pro level pigmentation. So frankly, for everything that you get, it's a pretty cheap palette to me. A natural brown look, I take a fluffy brush and I apply the color Control Freak all over my lids. For the color Mousse, I focus solely on the outer corner just to give my eyes some more dimension. So apply the same shade to the lower lash line. I am doing a thin liner line on both eyes just to give the illusion of longer lashes before taking the eyelash curler to elongate them even more. Not wearing lashes for this look, I am applying a generous coat of mascara as well as taking the tip of the wand to help elongate my lashes closer to my inner corner. Moving on to the face, I am using a concealer under my eyes that is pretty much the same skin tone as me, as I don't really like an obvious highlight there. I then blend it out with a completely saturated blender as I find that it looks more natural than when I use a brush. Concealer for the bridge of my nose, the middle of my forehead, and my chin before blending it out. I also applied a bit of foundation to any of the areas that I felt used a bit more hydration, as this foundation is really hydrating and applies a glow. Going into my cream contour palette, I take the 2 highlighted shades and carve out my cheekbones, my jawline, and my hairline to warm up my face and to also be more slimming. Then I blend everything out to get rid of any harsh lines. At the face, I am using Coty's Airspun loose face powder. I am applying it anywhere I put cream products and immediately dusting it off. I'm not baking or anything because I have dry skin. It's just a set. To finish off the face, I am using this Lumi blush from AOA in Golden Peach. I like Lumi blushes for when you're in a rush because they're a blush and a highlighter together. I set the rest of the look with the Bedescu Rose and Aloe spray, and I'm done. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Do not forget to subscribe, click that notification bell so you never miss when I make a new post, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.